Cardi B and Offset back together after she filed for a divorce from her husband. Wow, what a developing story. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Hi again, and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for the program. Well, it seems like Cardi B and rapper Offset has finally thrown the towel after the two decided to get back together. This announcement was made after the two were spotted recently at her birthday celebration, pumping and grinding on each other. Now, this has rumored speculation right over across social media, as many fans right across the world were wondering whether the two would have broken up, but many had stipulated and also speculated that the two would have gotten back together. Now, some of them fears have realized after the two have announced they have actually called off the divorce and are back together. It's not very clear what led to the initial separation between the two, but Cardi B is not having it, and she's not letting go of Offset. No other female can have him, she stated. So the two are back together after rumors speculated and surfaced online said the two had been separated and had been having marital issues for some time. So Cardi B confirmed that she took back Offset, her husband, just a month after filing for divorce from him. The union has also cited irreconcilable differences as stated in a report, and the two have said that they are trying their best to see how well they can work on the matter. Now, the two have been together for some time now, and it's very hard to see that the two would have separated, especially in such a time after they shared a child together. However, Cardi B, as you know, has been a prominent figure on the local and international scene of her music, and with her recent hit single WAP, which has created waves right across the world, this situation couldn't have come at a better time with the reconcilement of their marriage. Well, we are just wishing them all the best, and we will continue to keep you up to date with this one. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, quick one, and we're out for now. Peace.